In this video, we are going to look at the stock Oracle. We are not going to talk about what Oracle does. They are basically a top software company which is into database, cloud, and other software related products. You can do more research or know more about their businesses on any financial websites. So we are going to dive into more their investment angle, but not the business what they are doing. So with that in mind, so this is a general disclaimer which basically says that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just for entertainment purpose only. No investment advice is provided. So you take your trades or buy any instruments based on your own risk. Please read it carefully. So what we are going to do is we are going to analyze the stock based on fundamental, technical, algorithmic, options, and also artificial intelligence. So we're going to apply these five different aspects to see what the stock says, whether the stock is a good buy or a not. So we're going to evaluate each one of them for the stock. So here is a general overview of the stock from the financial fundamental angle. So we are going to dive deep into the ratios. You want to make sure you have a low PE, good profit margin, and then there's not a lot of liabilities, right? So you want to make sure those are the key things you need to make sure, and price to sales ratio. Okay. So here are the four different valuation techniques we are going to use to see what kind of price we can pay based on the fundamentals, right? So we are going to look at Benjamin Graham, discounted cash flow, magic formula, and then Peter Lynch, right? So based on the data available online, we are going to look at analyze the stock based on this. So if you look at Benjamin Graham, we don't have enough data, or we don't have the right data to analyze Benjamin Graham. Cash flow, discounted cash flow, stock price is basically 85, right? That's the range we are getting, $85. Okay. And then magic formula, we are getting a return of 17%, and then also the Peter Lynch fair value is $82. Okay. So that is the range value of the stock. So now we are going to look at algo, right? We are going to look at, this is technical chart. We are going to look at this is algorithmic algo related technical chart, where you can see the stock has gapped up. Right now it is at 91, but it has, whenever it hit this 20 or 50 moving average, it just bounces back. So here is a compression zone basically where this it can go up or down, but I think it should probably reach 86. It should come down to 86 and then go back up again. So if you look at it's all green and monthly, weekly, 4-day, 3-day, 2-day, and daily, right? Basically what it means is it's all green on all the time frames, right? So this is the algo chart. Now this is a purely technical chart where I have a CPR. It's a monthly CPR which is plotted. You can see that one CPR is above the other CPR, and there is also a narrow CPR coming up, right? Which means the stock is going to go up, right? And this is a virgin CPR, which basically means that the candles have not touched the CPR here. So that means it's a powerful resistance. Okay, so the stock could come here. That is also pointing to 86, and it will go back again. So it's not this is not going, the CPR will most likely not let the stock come down drastically, right? So, and we also seeing buy signal, custom buy signal, all green here. So what we want now, we have looked at fundamental is okay, technical okay, algo is okay. Now we are going to look at options and artificial intelligence, right? So we are going to look at what is the stock staying on the options side. So for the options and then AI, we are going to use a tool called TradyTix, which is a software which will help us look at the option flow and also look at AI, use AI to predict the stock. So first thing what we are going to do is we are going to look at the stock to see what the fundamentals and says about the stock. Okay, so we're going to type the stock Oracle. Okay, so here you can see that you can also see the fundamental data here. So you can also look at all that other information here also. Okay, so now you see the data, the technical chart here. So now I'm going to draw the support and resistance lines. So here if you see currently Oracle is at a resistance line, right? So it's basically bouncing around here, so it could go up from here. So we just want to see what the AI will tell us, right? So we just say simulate projection. So that's also saying that the stock is going to go up. So it's basically simulating, saying that the stock is going to go up. So here is more information where if you want to analyze upgrades and all downgrades. Okay, so now we are going to look at the option flow. Okay, so we're going to go to look at options. So we're going to look at we're going to type that Oracle. So generally it's basically bullish, and basically what it says here is 35% are puts, which are basically people betting the stock will go down, and 65% are calls, which are people are betting that stock will go up. Okay, so it's overwhelming. The majority of the people are betting that stock will go up. Okay, so if you look at the algo score is above 0, so that's basically bullish. So if you look at the open interest, basically open interest is basically how many people are interested in buying the stock at what point, right? So here if you look at 820, there are 10,000 calls which are open interest, and then there is 4.8, right? So 10 call, right? So here open interest is more than the open interest for puts, but I would like to see this gap higher, right? So this is okay, but not super strong. So here you can see the number of calls to number of puts. So it basically looks at how many people are. So this is wide, so we want the open interest also should be wide. Okay, so here it also talks about the IV rank of the stock. So it looks like 40 range. So dominant strike. So this is people are all making calls on $85, right? So this is probably looking at, looks like a calendar spread or diagonal spread where they are buying a call at 85, and then they are selling calls above 91 where the current stock price is, right? So if you look at the open interest, this is an interesting data where we want to look at the open interest. Open interest is 90, 95. So people are expecting a lot of people are interested in 90 and 95. That basically means that people are looking at saying that they are going to, stock is going to go to 95. You want, so, and then there are a lot of open interest at 100, 105, right? So maximum pain strike is where you get the option like so if the stock goes to 77, there's a lot of going to be selling, more selling because of this, probably stop losses. So you can see the largest orders here. Okay, so from this what we can see is the stock on the option flow is also bullish. Okay, so now we want to also look at AI again one more time with the so here what it says is combined prediction is 54% bearish directions, right? So that's what it says. So but here sector AI is 70%. So you want to also look at sector, what is the direction of the sector, so that you understand how it goes. So let's put Oracle. So 69, 70% it says bullish, right? So Actually, that's what is same. It's predicting that the stock is bullish. So sector also is 71%. So this AI also predicting the stock is bullish. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please post your comment. Thank you. If you are interested in this software, there's a link below. You can just click on the link and you can purchase software. So from this, what we can see is the fundamental is thumbs up, technical is thumbs up, algo related is thumbs up, options is for thumbs up, AI also is thumbs up to 70%. So this should the stock should be a good buy for a long term holding. Thanks for watching the video.